Hi, I'm Do, and this is Have.
The magic.
Whoa, dizzy!
Wow.
Do and Have, the inseparable twins. Let me show you. Do and Have, two inseparable twins. Hey everyone, today I'm talking about present simple. Let me show you. Okay, not what I planned, but let's go with it. See? Simple. For example, do you have a car?
Or have you got a car?
Exactly, they're the same. Two questions. Do you have water? Have you water? Same meaning, different worlds. If you see do, look for the suitcase. The verb is inside. In modern English, we say, do you have water? Because in the present simple, do is the helper. Do you have? Do you like? Do you know? And do never travels alone. It always carries a suitcase. Inside, the real verb. Have you water? Old style, formal, rare today. Here, have travels alone. No helper, no suitcase. Remember the magic rule. Have can travel alone, sometimes. Do is never alone. Grammar has rhythm, grammar has structure, and now you see the magic.